Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you've just bought a Sony Smart TV and want to connect it to your set-top box, you might think it's as simple as plugging in a cable. But sometimes the screen shows no signal, or nothing appears at all. This can be confusing, especially if you're not sure which port to use or how to switch inputs correctly. The good thing is that connecting a set-top box to a Sony Smart TV is actually very simple once you follow the right steps. Whether you're using HDMI or AV cables, the setup only takes a minute, and you'll be able to enjoy your channels without any hassle. Try these. Step 1. Turn off both your Sony Smart TV and set-top box. Step 2. Connect an HDMI cable from the set-top box to the TV. Step 3. Turn on the set-top box first, then the TV. Step 4. Press the input source button on your TV remote. Step 5. Select the correct HDMI port where the box is connected. Step 6. Wait for the signal and adjust settings if needed.